Whether you're looking for a light repair on your furniture or you're a professional repairman, then a nailer is one of the most required tools. These are the best nailing tools in the market. Fifth on our list, we have the PORTERCABLE PCC 790LA. It is 100% battery powered, which eliminates the need for compressor, hose, or costly gas cartridges. The special motor design provides consistent firing power into various materials and climate conditions. This nailer features multiple tool-free settings to provide increased productivity and user safety. The unit's lightweight and optimal center of gravity provides user comfort in multiple positions, reducing user fatigue. It also offers multifunctional dual LED lights to light up your workspace and indicate errors. It has a fastener length capacity of 5/8 of an inch to 2 inches, a magazine capacity of 100 with sequential firing mode and trigger lock. The fourth placed M18 cordless 1/4 inch hex impact driver is one of the most powerful compact impact drivers in its class and offers the best power to size ratio. Featuring a Milwaukee built the 4-pole frameless motor and optimized impact mechanism, this impact driver delivers up to 2750 RPM, 3450 IPM, and 1500 in-pounds of fastening torque for class-leading performance. Its RedLink intelligence provides optimized performance and overload protection using total system communication between tool, battery, and charger. It also features an LED light to illuminate work surfaces and includes an all-metal reversible belt clip for temporary tool storage. Check out the video description to know more about these products and for links to buy them. The F21 PL is at number 3. It has a patented feature that lets you set nail depth with the simple push of a button. Its quick change nose piece lets you switch from plastic collated framing nails to metal connector nails in seconds. The magnesium construction of the F21 PL round head framing nailer means this tool is light enough to use all day while still being strong enough to reliably use again and again. The high-capacity magazine holds up to 60 plastic collated 21-degree framing nails or 60 metal connector nails, and the 16-inch layout indicator lets you know at a glance the correct distance between studs. It works with a standard air compressor and is backed by a 7-year limited warranty. The second-placed Hitachi NT50AE2 is a lightweight brad nailer. It's an ideal tool for small carpentry projects. It features an adjustable 360-degree exhaust vent, and an included no-mar nose cap protects the workpiece and the tool. With a lightweight aluminum body, the NT50AE2 weighs just 2.2 pounds, so it's easy to maneuver. You can easily choose between intermittent and continuous firing with the flick of your hand. The convenient depth of drive adjustment knob can be rotated halfway to make quick, accurate modifications to the driving depth with no tools required. It features a bottom-loading magazine that's designed for the quick and easy loading of 5/8 to 2-inch brad nails with head sizes between 0.075 and 1.9 millimeters. The Wen 61720 takes the first place. The Wen 18-gauge brad nailer effortlessly shoots brads anywhere from 3/4 to 2 inches in size. With a lightweight 3-pound aluminum body and a comfortable rubber grip handle, this tool is the perfect companion for any job site. Plug in your favorite air compressor and start nailing. The Wen brad nailer operates at anywhere from 60 to 100 psi with a 1/4 inch NPT air inlet fitting. The spacious magazine carries up to 100 brads, while the quick-release design makes jam clearing a breeze. The kit includes oil, adjustment wrenches, and a custom carrying case for convenient storage between jobs. It features an adjustable exhaust deflector, a rubber-wrapped handle, a quick release for jam clearing, and more. If you liked today's video, then go ahead and click the like button. Subscribe to our channel to get constant updates when we release new videos, and sound off in the comments if you have any suggestions for improving our videos.